I just got off work. You don't believe me?
Dude, you're gonna get tased.
Okay, I work here.
Turn around.
I work.
Stand up and turn around.
Okay, I work here. Sir.
Put your hands behind your back. Don't move.
On May 10th, 2025, Paul Wart, a 22-year-old CVS employee, was sitting on a bench outside his workplace in Edgewater, Florida, waiting for a Lyft ride after finishing his shift at 10 p.m. under Florida Statute 901.151. An officer may detain a person to determine identity and circumstances of their presence if there is reasonable suspicion of criminal activity. Officer Daniel Ripien, patrolling the area, approached Wart, alleging he had hidden behind a pillar as the officer pulled up, a claim contradicted by body camera footage showing Wart seated on the bench at the start of the interaction. When Wart attempted to explain that his ride had arrived and he intended to leave, Ripien immediately asserted his authority, declaring Wart was detained and could not go. Despite Wart's insistence that he was an employee and had just finished his shift, Ripien demanded identification, dismissing Wart's explanations and escalating the situation by drawing his taser and noting his K9 was ready in the vehicle. This aggressive response to a non-threatening situation based on a questionable perception of suspicious behavior set a confrontational tone.
What's going on with you? ID card. Something with your name on it.
I break the law, sir.
6K93 Central?
That's my ride. I'm gonna go ahead and go.
No, you're not. Can you start me another unit, please?
I didn't break any laws. I didn't break any laws, sir. So
Stop, dude. You can make an emergency, please. I got one resisting.
I work here, sir. I just got off work. You don't believe me?
Dude, you're gonna get tased.
Okay, I work here. Sir.
Turn around.
I work.
Stand up and turn around.
Okay, I work here, sir.
Put your hands behind your back. Don't move. Don't move. If you move, there's a canine in my car. You're gonna get dog bit.
And I was.
Stop moving your hands. Six K93 Central. I got one detained. If I have the channel, you can clear it. Who is that? Is that person related to you?
No, that's my Lyft. Can you just let them know that it's
Dude,
it's $40.
I asked. Okay, I pull up. Let's recap everything.
All right.
So I pull up. I see you sitting there, and then all of a sudden I'm pulling up. You're hiding behind the pillars of a closed business. How's that look, dude?
Well, you said hiding. I just got up
dude,
and took a walk.
but just look from my. It's a closed business.
Right.
I pull up. You're hiding behind the pillars. It looks strange. Does that look weird? Does that sound weird to you?
Well, you said
and then
hiding.
listen.
Okay.
And then I tell you you're detained.
Yeah.
And you're telling me you're gonna leave.
Okay. Okay.
You see what I'm saying?
I understand.
Then you were resisting.
Okay. I apologize. You say hiding. I just got up and just put my hoodie on. That's all I did.
Do you really work here?
I swear to God, I work here. But what time? What time is it? Can you tell me what time it is? Just tell me what time it is. I get it. Look what.
What's your name?
Look up what time CVS closes. Look up what time CVS closes. It's 10 o'clock.
You got your ID card on you?
I didn't do anything wrong, sir. I got off work. My manager just left. His name is Mike. I'm your ride. This is my ride. Just 1 second.
No. I'll talk to him for a second. Hey, you're good to go. He doesn't need a ride anymore. I'm gonna give him one.
What's that, bud?
I said he called a Lyft or something. I think.
Yeah, we're on the left.
Yeah, I got one for him. So you're free to go.
Yeah.
You can cancel it or something. He might get arrested.
Yeah,
so.
yeah, I hear you. I just I'm trying to figure out with her, cancel it. So.
Okay, I got you. You can hang out then. All right, I appreciate it.
As the encounter unfolded, Officer Ripien's actions led to Paul Wart's arrest, marked by intimidation and a disregard for legal standards. According to the Fourth Amendment of the U.S. Constitution, no person shall be arrested without probable cause that they have committed a crime. Yet Ripien charged Wart with obstructing an officer without violence, despite Body camera footage showing Wart complying by standing and turning as instructed while repeatedly affirming his employment at CVS. Ripien ignored Wart's attempts to clarify, refused to verify his work status, and instead handcuffed him, warning of a potential dog attack if he moved. When Wart's Lyft driver arrived, Ripien dismissed them, stating Wart might be arrested, further isolating him. The officer's reliance on threats and failure to de-escalate transformed a lawful inquiry into an unlawful detention, resulting in Wart spending 2.5 days in jail.
Dude, this one was kind of strange. So I'm passing by, I see someone singing, so I was like, I'll dip in and check who it is. As I'm pulling in, he hides behind the pole. So I'm like, that's fucking strange. So obviously I need to talk to this guy, his business is closed.
Yeah.
I go talk to him, like, hey man. And he's like, am I being detained? I said, yes you are, you're being detained.
Yeah.
And I asked him for ID, he said he doesn't have it. So he says, my ride's here, I'm gonna leave. I said, no, you're not.
Yeah.
And then I said, and that's why he was like, getting up to leave. And I pulled my taser out, and Drago started barking. I think he got a little worried, so he fucking started to comply then. But, so he's going to jail for resisting.
Where the hell's his ride?
That was his Uber right there. Oh. Apparently he works here, but, dude, he passed that point, and he's trying to jump in that and leave.
Yeah. Is that his shit that's on the bench up here, too?
Yeah. I do believe that he works here. I mean, he looks like he's working his clothing, but I mean, he was going to try to dictate and tell me he was going to leave. So yeah, I'm not playing that game. No, he's going to learn, fortunately, the hard way. So it's pretty clear and simple. And
LMP to begin with.
He was hiding behind the fucking pole, which dude, that was fucking strange because I've never seen someone like get up off the bench and hide. He left his shit there too.
That's weird.
There's like a tablet and stuff on the bench.
Yeah, he was hiding behind the pole when I saw him pull in. I don't know. And then I asked him. He's like, my ride's here, I'm gonna leave. I said, no, you're not, dude. I said, you're detained. And then he wouldn't fucking ID himself, so. Yeah, he's fucked. Alright, face the car for me, bud. Don't lean against the car so hard. I gotta check your pockets. You got anything illegal on you that you shouldn't have? You are going to jail tonight. I was pretty clear with you and cool. You don't get to tell me that you're going to leave, okay? I told you asked me if you were detained. I said yes, dude. And then you decided you just want to leave and do whatever the fuck you want. Are you going to talk or? No? Okay. That's fine. Is this a fake pocket?
Yeah.
Yep. You want what side you want them on? Take a seat. What's that?
I'm just asking about this seatbelt right here.
You don't have questions for me? Do you understand why you're getting arrested?
I was just sitting there. Do
you understand why you're getting arrested?
My lift came.
I'll pull this back so you don't get too hot.
No. Put my hoodie back on.
Nope.
Alright, whatever.
I don't want you to overheat back here, dude. So you don't want me to explain to you? You're good? I want to explain to you. I think I dictated a little bit what was going on. You look, it was very strange, dude. Closed business. I pull up, you're hiding behind the pole. So I get out with you, okay? I asked you to identify yourself, then you asked me to detain. I tell you you are detained, okay? Because Lord and Prowling, I can investigate that. Although I'm not going to charge you with that, nor I'm going to go further in that. I'm asked you to identify yourself. If you fail to do that, I'm going to charge you with resisting, okay? I did do my citations for that 12F yesterday. secure upload, but I'll probably print them out for you, Guppy, if you don't mind.
He does.
Yeah, I do believe him.
We've had a handful. He's sick.
Oh, okay.
The aftermath of Paul Wart's arrest sparked significant community backlash and institutional scrutiny, with Officer Ripien facing consequences for his misconduct. The state attorney's office later dropped Wart's charges, underscoring the absence of probable cause and exposing Ripien's actions as an overreach of authority that violated Wart's rights. The Edgewater Police Department placed Ripien on administrative leave pending a formal internal affairs investigation, prompted by body camera evidence shared by Wart's family. The footage, which contradicted Ripien's report of Wart hiding, fueled public outrage, with Wart's grandparents addressing the city council to denounce the arrest as baseless and humiliating. The department that issued a statement on social media acknowledging the incident and the ongoing investigation, while the dropped charges validated claims of an illegal arrest. Ripien's potential termination, implied by his leave and the investigation, serves as a warning that officers who prioritize control over fairness risk their careers and erode public trust, pushing for systemic reforms to prevent such abuses of power. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video click to watch now.